Hey guys, how's it going? Well, this is my second camera, and I believe I finally got it figured out to where it works. It should be in HD. You can tell my battery's going dead. But I'm just putting this up as a test to see. Check, check. This one's missing some pixels. Check, check. It's missing some pixels, but at the same time, I don't. Check, check. Yeah. Check, check. Anyway, check it out and tell me what you think. I'm going to see if I can get this uploaded into HD format, and if I can, it'll be a keeper. Let me take the battery off, because this is the place that always gives me the most trouble. It's when it comes to reading model numbers, serial numbers, flash codes. By the way, these radios will be for sale. I'm going to put them up on eBay soon. But tell me what you think about this. I'm going to go ahead and upload this because I don't want to get it too long. It's really not about radios, it's more about the camera, because I want to make sure that this damn thing works. But if the detail looks good to you guys, leave a comment, and I'll know whether to keep it or not. Take it easy, guys. Later on.